In this video, I am going to go over a few Windows 10 tips and tricks that you might be able to use throughout the day. The first one I'm going to cover is simply getting to your desktop with any icons you have on there in the easiest and fastest way possible. If you have a lot of windows open, it might take you a while to minimize each individual window. So an even easier way to do that is to go to the bottom right corner of your computer here. There's a chat bubble right here, and if you see to the right of that there's a small line. You can click on that and it will actually minimize all your windows. If you want to bring all of them back right away, you can simply click that small line to the bottom right corner once again and it pulls all those back. The next Windows 10 tip I am going to show you deals with the Power User menu for the Start menu. So in Windows 10, Microsoft did bring back the classic Start menu where you were able to view the programs and files. But if you want to see additional settings, on the bottom left corner, the Start menu, you're able to right click on there and see some of the more advanced power settings, event viewer, things like that. If you want to be a little bit quicker than that even, you're able to do the Windows X key, and from there it then underlines a few of these letters here. So from this open, you're able to just simply click on the underlined letter such as O, and it instantly would bring up that option. The next tip I'm going to show you deals with snapping your windows. So you might have done this accidentally a few times, but if you have windows open, what you can do is simply drag them to the far left or right of your screen until it won't go any farther, and then it will snap to make that even in the middle there. Another option you can do is if you have a window active, you can do the Windows left or right arrow key, and it will then automatically go to that side of the window, similar to snapping with the mouse. The next tip I want to show you deals with audio playback. With Windows 10, they made it even easier to make this change. Previously, you would have to go a few windows deep in the settings to make that change. But in Windows 10, you're able to go to the bottom right corner, click on the speaker icon or the volume. It allows you to adjust the volume, but now there is an arrow as well, where you're able to click on that and change these settings. So if you have a headset plugged in, or maybe your normal speakers, you can go back and forth between the two and simply change it from there. The last Windows 10 tip and trick I am going to show you in this video at least deals with changing the app view settings from light to dark. This can be beneficial to your eyes if maybe you're viewing the screen at nighttime. In order to do that with the keyboard shortcut, you can do Windows key plus the letter I, go to Personalization, Colors, scroll down, choose your default app mode, and you can go to Dark. Another way to do this is to also go to the bubble icon here, click on all settings, and it does get you to that same personalization option if you do not want to use the keyboard shortcut. So that is my last Windows 10 tip in this video. Thanks for watching.